Eonini Y70 Open-Ear Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds Review, the perfect companion for active lifestyles. Finding the right pair of earbuds that balance comfort, sound quality, and durability can be a challenge. The Eonini Y70 Open-Ear Wireless Bluetooth 5.3 earbuds aim to solve this with a lightweight, open-ear design, 40-hour battery life, and HiFi stereo sound. Are they worth it? Let's find out. Unboxing and first impressions. Out of the box, the Eonini Y70 earbuds come with a wireless charging case, Type-C cable, and a user manual. The white design gives it a sleek and modern look. The earbuds feel lightweight yet sturdy, making them a great option for long-term use. Design and comfort. These earbuds feature a vibration-free open-ear design, meaning they don't go inside your ears like traditional earbuds. The soft, adjustable ear hooks provide a secure fit, even for those wearing glasses. Plus, with IPX5 waterproofing, they can withstand sweat and rain during workouts. Sound quality and performance. Equipped with 14.2mm HiFi drivers and dynamic EQ technology, these earbuds deliver deep bass, crisp highs, and balanced midtones. Advanced directed audio technology helps minimize sound leakage, ensuring a personal listening experience. Battery life and connectivity. With 10 hours of playtime per charge and up to 40 hours with the charging case, these earbuds won't leave you stranded. Plus, a 5-minute charge provides an extra hour of use. Bluetooth 5.3 ensures a stable and fast connection, while ANC noise cancellation keeps calls clear. Pros and cons. Pros. Comfortable open-ear design. Long battery life with quick charge. IPX5 is waterproof for workouts. HiFi stereo with clear sound. ANC noise cancellation for calls. Cons. Open-ear design may not block outside noise. No active noise cancellation, ANC. The Eonini Y70 open-ear earbuds are an excellent choice for those who prioritize comfort, long battery life, and call clarity. Ideal for sports, workouts, and commuting, they offer great value for money. Would you consider trying them out? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.